You watching Top 5 Best Impact Wrench. Number 5. Hammerhead. Powerful 7.5 amp motor delivers 2200 RPM and 2700 BPM. 240 feet lbs of torque for heavy-duty applications. Half-a inch. Square drive with friction ring for secure socket retention. Metal gearbox for added durability. Forward/reverse rocker switch for quick and easy 2-finger operation. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. DEWALT DCF899P1. Brushless motor for superior performance. Heavy-duty impact mechanism with max torque 700 feet/pounds, breakaway torque 1,200 feet/lbs. 3-speed selector switch for control. LED work light. Battery fuel gauge. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Metabo XT0 4M. Metabo built motor delivers 325 feet lbs of max torque, with 1600 RPM and 2200 IPM for superior fastening power. Shock absorbent handle protects battery housing for extra durability. Rocker switch for forward/reverse operation. Rubberized soft grip handle provides increased comfort on the job. Compact and ergonomic design at only 10.5 long. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Innersole Rand. Power, 780 ft-lbs of maximum reverse torque and 1100 ft-lb of nut-busting torque from cordless impact wrench that weighs only 6.8 pounds. Durability, steel-lined aluminum hammer case designed to be strong and lightweight for maximum protection of the internal components. Comfort, patent-pending soft touch over molded grip minimizes vibration, reduces fatigue, and enhances user comfort during extended use. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. PowerEater. Compact and only 2.35 pounds, permits easy access to tight areas. Adjustable torque with 4-position power regulator dial for instant change of power. Built-in forward/reverse switch for quick and easy switching. Exhaust diffuser reduces tool noise for quiet operation. Please check the description for details and update price.